Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and my name is Zai and you're watching My Life's Diaries. For today, I will be doing self-care vlog and I'm planning to have a HIFU treatment for the very first time. And I found this aesthetic clinic that is just near my location, and they actually have a promo for the whole October because I think it is their anniversary month. So according to my research, HIFU will help to tighten the skin and also help define the jaw lines, also to reduce the double chin and make you look youthful. And also, according to my research, na it helps to boost the production of collagen into your skin. So, I'm so excited and kinakabahan at the same time kasi first time na may gagawin sa mukha ko aside the regular facial at hindi pa yun religiously. So, nagpa-facial lang ako, wala, pag trip ko lang, pag naisip ko lang. So, this is my skin now and yeah, I have a double chin kasi even though pag pumapayat ako, andyan pa rin siya. So, maybe because of aging, you know, ang hirap maging 25. Kidding. So, and according to their promos, it's full face na. So, it will just not just target the cheek and chin. So, full face na. Ewan ko pa anong gagawin kasi, you know. And now, I'm also planning to do what did they call, glass skin treatment. So, hindi ko alam kung magagawa siya at the same time, but we'll see. Pero ang pinaka gusto ko talagang itry is yung HIFU. Sana talaga effective siya. Just go, i-update ko kayo. So, lalarga na ako dahil may appointment ako today at 9 AM. So, I'll keep you posted. I'll see you there. Let's go guys. Papunta na tayo sa clinic. Hello guys, nandito na tayo. Pero I think close pa, pero papasok na ako. Let's try. Bukas na sila. 5 minutes. Ganda ng place. Kailan pa kayo dito sa ano, sa Parañaque? This year lang ba? Pero this 22 pa. Ba't ngayon ko lang siya nakita? Actually, first time ko magpa-treatment. Nung ano HIFU. Sabi ko, try ko nga yung HIFU ninyo. Ito, ang lapit nyo lang. Nandito na tayo sa VOD Cherry Clinic and unfortunately, nagtanong ako kung pwede i-video while nasa procedure pero hindi daw pwede. Kaya ito ang aking before and let's see what will be the after. So, I'll keep you posted later on. Ano po yan nilalagay niya? Naming ba yan?
Anesthesia po naman
para hindi masakit.
Kasi ang target kasi ng HIFU is third, yung pinaka
layer. Sabi nga kasi, meron kasi akong silver na pasta, pero matagal din nung bata pa ako. Na pwede daw magkaroon ng ilong, ganyan. Aside from that, wala naman akong ibang procedure sa ngipin.
Dito lang kasi
yung double chin. Double chin. Pero yung ilalim ng chin.
Oo, dito kasama. Pero yung dito sa gitna, hindi na yan pwede. Oo. Bawal na yan.
Okay. So, unfortunately, bawal tayo mag-video while in the procedure. Kaya ito na lang. check na lang natin siya later. Eto na ako after malagyan ng anesthesia at hintayin ko na lang na matawag ako for the procedure. Eto na yung kalahati ng mukha ko after the treatment. In fairness, medyo may improvement naman na siya. Tapos na tayo, guys. Pauwi na ako. I'll discuss everything later pag nasa bahay. Thank you. See you there. Hello guys, welcome back at nakauwi na ako from my HIFU treatment. Ayan, medyo pinapawisan ako kasi naglagay sila ng sunscreen, medyo mainit siya sa mukha at saka naglakad din ako pa uwi. So, unfortunately, hindi sila pumayag na i-video while on the procedure kasi sabi it's bawal daw. Dati pinapayagan pero ngayon bawal daw. So, nag-take na lang ako ng pictures. And also, according to the staff, hindi ako pwedeng mag-include ng procedure like glass skin or the Oxybrite that they offer kasi nga mag-HIFU ako. So, I will do the Oxybrite, which is the glass skin procedure, after 3 weeks na. So, magpapabook na lang ako. So far, the experience, maganda yung place. Hindi lang siya masyadong pansinin kasi medyo naka-push back kasi yung front area nung clinic is parking, pwedeng pag-parkingan ng mga clients. So, pagdating ko doon, maaga, ang aga ko nga dumating, ang aga ko like about 5 minutes bago sila mag-open, pero pinapasok naman nila ako. Accommodating yung mga staff, nag-ask na rin ako ng questions about possibility na mafe-feel ko after HIFU kasi first time ko nga talaga siya. So, nag-fill up lang ako ng form for my personal information at saka parang consent na din kasi nga mag-undergo ako ng non-surgical or non-invasive procedure. So, after that, nilagyan nila ako ng anesthesia, yung face. And then, after nun, 45 minutes na nakalagay sa mukha ko yung anesthesia. And then, after that, nag-proceed na kami ng procedure ng HIFU. So, ang naramdaman ko, while undergo with the procedure, kasi since numbed naman yung skin ko, it's parang, ewan ko, kasi nung nandun ako nung parang binabaril ako nung machine sa mukha, parang feeling ko ni stapler yung mukha ko. May tingling sensation. So, medyo parang tumutusok-tusok. Pero tolerable naman. At saka kung hindi mo naman siya kaya, you can ask the person na gumagawa na babaan. Tapos, dito sa area, medyo nakakangilot saka dito sa area. So far, according to Kitty, si Kitty kasi yung gumawa ng procedure sa akin. According to her, after the HIFU treatment, 20% lang yung makikita kong improvement. So, hindi siya ganun ka-visible. So, as you can see, medyo nagkaroon ako ng jawline as compared kanina. Pero, hindi ako nag-expect ng sobrang laking improvement na makikita ko na V. Naka-V na yung mukha ko or bigas shape na yung mukha ko. So, hindi ko siya ina-expect. Ang sabi kasi, after 2 months ko pa makikita yung 100% na pagbabago ng face ko. Magta-tighten, tapos medyo mag-slim, at magiging define yung jaw. At the same time, hopefully, ma-reduce yung double chin. So, ipapakita ko yung before and after kasi nagpa-picture din ako kay ate. Tapos, yung half area ng face ko nung pagkatapos. And this is my before and after. So, if you've noticed, the before looks a bit rounded and the after looks a bit oval na with a little bit upswollen, but eventually it will goes away. Maybe in a couple of hours. Tapos, ang sabi sa akin, to avoid na magbasa ng face within 8 hours, dapat laging naka-sunscreen. May sunscreen naman ako. So, kailangan kong masipag maglagay ng sunscreen kasi medyo tamad ako sa part na yan. And then, to avoid caffeinated or any colored drinks for the next 3 days. para daw hindi mag-interfere sa collagen, para mag-produce ng collagen yung skin. Tapos ano pa ba yung sinabi? Tapos mas maganda daw to undergo with the same treatment ng 1 to 2 sessions per year. Pero I've decided na mag-once a year na lang ako kasi I don't think naman na kailangan kasi hindi naman ma-fats yung mukha ko. Ang gusto ko lang talaga is to tighten the skin, to lift it a bit. Yun, ano pa ba? Ito, binigyan din nila ako ng mga aftercare. Sabi dito, avoid sun. So, panggabi naman tayo guys. So, hindi talaga natin siya masyadong may experience. At saka, take a break from alcohol. Hindi din naman ako pala inom. So, it's fine. So, I think, medyo struggle sa akin is to avoid the caffeinated drinks or any colored drinks. Talagang water lang. Bawal din yung cold drink. So, ang kailangan ko is yung regular temperature ng water or warm water. Which is okay kasi hindi naman talaga ako pala inom ng malamig. Sorry for the interruption. May dumating na letter and meron na akong national ID. Akala ko hindi ko na siya makukuha kasi meron na akong digital. But anyways, yeah, as I was saying, yung mga aftercare, so to avoid alcohol, do not scratch your face. Drink more water at saka do not have hot shower or baths. So, hindi naman ako mahilig mag-hot shower. Yung normal temperature lang ng ating tubig sa banyo. So, ayun lang. So far, I don't know kung merong nagbago, pero yeah, medyo mas sa akin ha, sa observation ko, mas bumabaw. Kasi diba, as we age, nagkakaroon tayo ng fine line over here, nagiging deep ay yung wrinkles dito. So far kasi ngayon medyo namamanhid pa yung mukha ko kasi may anesthesia nga na nilagay. So i-update ko kayo every now and then. I think I will do a weekly update sa video, tapos i-consolidate ko na lang to see kung may mga improvement na nangyayari and also to give you update anong naramdaman ko, kung magpapasaba siya or what. So I'll keep you posted guys. Ang pangalan ng aesthetic clinic na pinuntahan ko sa Voj Aesthetic Center and it's located in Parañaque. That's one of the branch I visited. And I can also put their contact information and their Facebook page sa description of the video. And this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Paalam!